I've been thinking about you all day, baby. Waiting on the sun to go down. Want to say I pick you up and tell her slide on, step out to the outskirts of town. Got a blanket in bed for comfort. Little something to knock on it. It's supposed to get a little cool too.